live. All right, guys. So welcome back to another stream. Today is officially the very first day, guys, of 2025. Very exciting, right? And this is obviously going to be really exciting year for Bitcoin and crypto overall, right? This is going to be an amazing year, guys. Okay, new millionaires will be printed for sure. So in today's stream, guys, I really just want to chat to you guys, right? Just talk to you guys, okay? Talk about, what's going to happen with Bitcoin, right, throughout this year in 2025. As we know, last year, 2024, was a fantastic year for Bitcoin. And, this year, 2025, is going to be a even better, right, year for Bitcoin. Trust me, okay? We're going to see Bitcoin, breaking new highs like never before, okay? And of course, I want to talk about altcoins as well. But I really want to just come on here, just chat to you guys, really, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and share this on X just to let everyone know that I am live. Alright, 1 second. Let me just go ahead and share this on X. If you guys are not following me on any of my social medias, go ahead and follow me. It's always linked in the description down below. Yeah, I really would appreciate that. Okay. There we have it. All right. Casper. All right, guys. So, 2025. This is going to be a great year, guys, for Bitcoin, right? For Bitcoin, for crypto. This is truly the year that we all, in fact, have been waiting for, guys, right? Truly, we all have been really patient, okay? We've been buying, we've been hodling, okay? We've been DCAing, right? And all that's finally gonna pay off, guys, right? If you had patience, congratulations. If you survived the year 2022, because as we know, 2022 was a terrible year. Honestly, that was honestly one of the worst times for Bitcoin and crypto, right? As we know, 2022 was a terrible year. A lot of negative things happened during that time. Like, we were already in a bear market, and then more negative things just caused Bitcoin to drop even more, even crypto, right? As we know, a fair few crypto exchanges collapsed, and that obviously caused crypto to crash even more. We saw Terra Luna collapsing, that caused the market to drop even more. If you survive 2022, you can literally survive anything, right? Like, literally anything, guys. So understand, okay, if you've been buying since, I don't know, 2020, 2021, right, and you've been holding throughout this time, and then maybe you've been buying when it was dropping back down, right, you've been slowly accumulating more when it was dropping, right, 2022 to 2023, even just last year, 2024, right, we're all finally going to be rewarded, guys. This is truly the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for, right? We've been accumulating, okay, we've been stacking stats, okay, we've been buying our favorite altcoins, and we've been, preparing ourselves for, right, this bull run, okay, for 2025. And understand, guys, we've been in this bull run for, quite some time now, but understand, okay, we're going to see big moves, right? Last year, 2024, it was fantastic, right, for Bitcoin. Okay, a lot of things have happened for Bitcoin, okay, back in, 2024, a lot of, positive things, right? First of all, the biggest one, okay, we had the Bitcoin ETFs. That was huge, right? That was huge news for Bitcoin, okay? And when we had that, okay, obviously, it drove Bitcoin up, up to the upside, of course, right? A lot of institutions started to buy Bitcoin, okay? BlackRock, as we know, they've been buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin, right? And many more other, institutions out there as well. And of course, right, 2024, we had the Bitcoin halving event, okay, for Bitcoin, right? So as we know, every 4 years, we have the Bitcoin halving event, and that happens, every 4 years. So we just had our fourth one, right, just last year in 2024, right, April 20th to be exact, okay, of 2024. So we had that, and that was great, right? Because as we know, every single time we have a Bitcoin halving, right after it, what does Bitcoin do? It pumps, okay? And Bitcoin is still on track, and it has been, okay? And of course, guys, the biggest milestone that happened, okay, for Bitcoin in 2024 was that it reached $100,000. Okay, Bitcoin finally reached $100,000 for the first time ever in Bitcoin history. You know, I really do believe like this is huge news. Okay, because you guys understand, once Bitcoin, okay, reaches 100K and higher, understand a lot of institutions will start looking into Bitcoin. The ones that, you know, that are not really buying in it right now, they're going to look into it, trust me, okay? A lot of different countries, as we know, are in fact buying into Bitcoin as well, okay? It's going to become mainstream, guys, okay, for Bitcoin, trust me, it's going to happen, right? So that was huge, right? Bitcoin reaching $100,000 for the first time ever in history. That happened last year in 2024. What else happened? I'm trying to think here. I mean, a lot of institutions have been buying Bitcoin. As we know, a lot of different countries are looking into Bitcoin as well. As we know, this is huge as well, right? The US government, right? Let's talk about this real quick. The US government, as we know, their big plan for Bitcoin is to make Bitcoin a strategic reserve and to buy up Bitcoin, right? Their plan is to buy 1 million Bitcoins, 1 million Bitcoins, right? And to make Bitcoin a strategic reserve. And when this happens, guys, I do believe the Bitcoin price is going to push to, you know, 400K to even $500,000 for sure, right? 100%. Okay, so how can you not be bullish on Bitcoin, guys? Right? How can you not be bullish? So 2025, okay, is going to be a even better year for Bitcoin and crypto, right, than 2024, right? This year, 2025, it's going to be a fantastic year for Bitcoin and crypto. I truly do hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys have been accumulating, right? You know, simply just DCing and holding, right? And being patient, because we're all finally going to be rewarded, guys, this year. This is our year, guys, to make life-changing money. As I told you guys many times, if you simply just want to make money in crypto, right, you better get it now. You know, in the next 6 months, 8 months, even 10 months will be amazing, okay, for Bitcoin, right? So understand, guys, okay, this is the moment, okay, truly, this is truly the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for, okay? So I hope you guys are prepared. I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys got your bags ready, because the crypto market, the entire crypto market is going to really bounce, guys. And what the market is doing right now, okay, I mean, Bitcoin today is still holding pretty steadily, you know, at $93,000. I might as well show you guys what Bitcoin is doing. Same with the crypto market, because today, what is altcoins doing? Let's have a look here. So yesterday, altcoins, as we know, they weren't really moving. We saw a fair few altcoins down like 3%, some even over 5%. And today, yeah, the crypto market today is still not really moving. Okay, and honestly, okay, this is still great, right? This is truly a great time right now to buy more, to accumulate more, right? So let me just show you guys what Bitcoin and the crypto market is doing today. Okay, so you guys can just clearly see, right? This is Bitcoin, okay, right now, $93.4 thousand. So yeah, Bitcoin, right, as we know, it reached a high, okay, of $108,000, and it's dropped, okay, and went back up a little bit, almost back up to 100K, and then it just dropped again. And you guys can just clearly see we're in fact seeing a pretty strong, you know, resistance. Well, not resistance, a support level, okay, you guys can clearly see that, of $92,000. Bitcoin has touched this level quite a few times. Okay, I've showed you guys this before, and I'll show you guys it again. So you guys can clearly see Bitcoin has touched this support level a fair few times, so it's still above it, right above $92,000. So there's still really nothing to be worried about. You know, still above it, so it's still looking pretty good for Bitcoin. You know, today Bitcoin is still not really moving, $93,000, 93.4 to be exact, and yeah, still holding, you know, pretty steadily. So honestly, right, for everyone out there that were begging for a dip for Bitcoin, right, everyone was, you know, begging for a dip when Bitcoin was above $100,000, close to $110,000, right? You guys were probably begging for, you know, Bitcoin to drop back down below $100,000, and look at it now, right? It's below, way below 100K. So this is a great opportunity right now to buy Bitcoin, right? Take this as an opportunity, guys, to stack more Bitcoin. Now, the crypto market today is slightly up 1.4%. Global crypto market cap sitting at 3.27 trillion. So, you know, slightly dropped than where it was yesterday. It was sitting at like what, 3.28 trillion. So yeah, alts are not really moving today. Okay, we're not seeing huge moves today for altcoins for the past hour, even for the past 24 hours. We're not seeing huge moves, guys, right? And this is obviously a great sign. I mean, look at Pepe today. Holy, 13.4%. And as we know, Pepe yesterday was actually pumping, and today, right, Pepe is still pumping, right? But yeah, majority of alts today are not really pumping. This altcoin is up over 17%. Some alts are moving, but majority of altcoins, the guys, they're not really moving today, right? Which is fine. This is, you know, completely normal, right? So that's the crypto market. Still holding, you know, pretty steadily. We're not seeing huge moves. Let me just pop you guys right over there. But like I said, guys, when we see dips, take it as an opportunity to buy. Ryan, what's good, brother? Good to see you on here. Bought some more Brett today. Brett? You really bought some Brett? What's the market cap of Brett? Let's have a look. All right. Wow. The market cap of Brett is still pretty low, at just over 1 billion, 1.1 billion. Not too bad. Little gamble. Yeah, why not? I mean, I do believe meme coins, right? During this bull run, they will pump for sure, right? Even the large caps, I do believe meme coins will pump. A fair few memes. I mean, there are some meme coins that I'm getting into, right, for this bull run. Dogecoin, what else is there? Shiba Inu, okay, Pepe, even Floki, and that's about it. That's like really all the memes that I'm really looking into right now. I should probably look into more meme coins because you guys understand, right? Meme coins, they will pump for sure. Right? A lot of memes, they will pump. It's going to be very exciting for meme coins. AI projects, gaming tokens, yeah, they're gonna pump for sure, right? They're gonna perform absolutely amazing this bull run. What's your DCA plan, or do you look for certain opportunities? Honestly, I'm just really DCAing into Bitcoin, into Ethereum, right? And there's other altcoins out there that I'm really DCAing into right now. Okay, there's things like, these are just all like large caps, things like Solana, Casper, of course, Cardano, Chainlink, and that's really it. Avalanche. I bought some Sui as well, and there's some other altcoins that I'm really buying, but if I'm DCAing, I'm just really sticking with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are like my main ones that I'm really holding and just DCAing for sure. But I'm really trying to accumulate as much alts as I possibly can, okay, because that's where the gains are for sure. But yeah, that's that. And then I'll probably, when I take my profits, I'll most likely reinvest it into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Sui feels like the next Solana. Yeah, it truly does. A lot of people say that. And I don't know if it will be, but there is potential for it for sure. I think Sui will perform absolutely amazing this bull run. Like, it has already reached a new high. Did it reach $5 yet? I don't even know. I think its high was like 4.8. Let's have a look here on Sui. Yeah, it was like 4.8, 4.7, somewhere around there. That was its all-time high. And yeah, Sui's looking pretty good. Right? It really is. It's looking amazing right now for Sui. Or Sui, however you want to say it. It's holding up very, very well. But yeah, I do believe SUI can for sure reach a new high. I think it's this uptrend that we are in fact seeing right now for SUI, it's gonna just keep going up for sure. I think that is very, very possible. So really user-friendly chain. Yeah, it is for sure. I've heard a lot about SUI, and that's why I did in fact invest into SUI. I don't have a whole bunch of it, but I did have a good amount of it for sure. But guys, this bull run, I need to take profits because you guys have to understand from last bull market, okay, that was my first ever experience, okay. I'm experiencing, a bull run, right, during, crypto, right? And I didn't take any of my profits, guys. I didn't know how cycles worked, okay, but I know how it works now. This is going to be my second bull cycle, and yeah, I'm going to be taking some profits for sure this time. You're always going to take profits, guys, right? But the thing is, right, I'm mainly going to be taking my profits with altcoins, okay? And I'm going to reinvest it into things like Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? With my holdings in Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially Bitcoin, I'm holding them for long term. Even some Casper, right? I'm holding some Casper long term, maybe some Solana long term as well, and Chainlink, right? Not a whole bunch of it. I'm going to take majority of my profits with these altcoins, but understand, like, I'm going to reinvest them, right? Back to like maybe Bitcoin, Ethereum, especially Bitcoin. How low can Brett be? I really do not know. I mean, alt season is about to begin. Okay, Brett right now it's at what, 11 cents? Who knows? Like, we could see another correction, guys, in the market. Okay, like we could see Bitcoin dropping further down to the downside. And obviously, if that happens, then yes, we're gonna see alts follow Bitcoin and drop with it, right? So yeah, Brett, it can go back down below 10 cents for sure. But I think there's nothing to really be worried about here. Like, if we do see another correction, guys, in the market, take it as an opportunity to buy more. That's a true blessing if it does happen, right? Take it as an opportunity to buy more. Because we know, guys, right, everything's going to absolutely spike up. Q1, mark my words, Q1 2025 this year, it's going to be fantastic. Trust me, right? In the next upcoming few weeks, we should be seeing the market move for sure. Maybe, in the next few days, we could potentially see Bitcoin dropping further down to the downside. It is possible. And that's if it breaks that support level, right? If Bitcoin breaks the support level, then that's when I should be worried. But it's not. It's still holding up pretty well. Let me just show you guys. So if Bitcoin, as we know, okay, this is a pretty strong support level. If it breaks this support level below it, okay, breaks out of it, breaks down, okay, then that's when I would be worried for Bitcoin, and that's when it's gonna like really drop. And who knows how low it will drop, right? But so far it's still above this support level, so there is really nothing to be worried about at the moment. Bitcoin is still holding pretty steadily, 93K right now, exactly where it was yesterday. It's been truly just consolidating at this point. Even at one point went as high as $96,000 earlier this morning. Is that right? Yeah, it went all the way to 96K, then it just dropped back down to 93K. That's insane. But yeah, still nothing to be worried about, guys. Bitcoin is still above this support level, so it's still looking fine for Bitcoin, right? And yeah, who knows, guys? Like I said, we could potentially see a correction happening, right? And if it does happen, promise me you guys will buy more, because that would be the right thing to do. Okay, the wrong thing would do is to panic. And there is nothing to be worried about for sure. So don't panic, guys. Okay. Let's have a look here. Pepe today is up 12%. Crazy. Pepe yesterday was moving as well. It was up like what, 6-7%. Today it's up over 12%, almost 13%. Pepe is moving, guys. Looking pretty good right now for Pepe. Today is for sure a great day to buy, guys. It really is. We're not seeing huge moves right now for Bitcoin. We're not seeing huge moves right now for altcoins. This is truly the best time to buy. And hey, like I said, we could potentially see more corrections, and if it does happen, buy more, right? This is the year, guys. Okay, this is truly the year that we're gonna really make life-changing money. You know, this is the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for, right? All these times, being patient, DCAing, okay, hodling, right? Most importantly, it's all finally gonna pay off, okay? And I know this bull will print new millionaires, okay? It will, guys, for sure, okay? I feel like every bull that we go through, right? You know, with 2021, with that bull 2017, even back to 2013, you know, those bull have created millionaires off of just crypto, right? Mainly Bitcoin, for sure. So, guys, okay, this is the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for. You know what I mean? So get it now, guys. If you just simply want to make money in crypto, right, in the next few months, you better get it now. Okay, and if we see, you know, the market's dropping to the downside, right, if it drops even more, take as an opportunity to, you know, accumulate more, right? Don't panic, don't be worried. This is the time to buy, guys. Remember, we are in a bull run, we're in a bull market. Okay, just because we're in a bull market, guys, it does not mean, okay, we're not gonna see corrections along the way. Corrections, right, is normal during a bull market, during a bull run. We have seen a lot of corrections, right? For example, back in 2017, I don't know if you guys remember, but back in 2017, right, during that bull run, right, when Bitcoin was spiking up, okay, along the way, right, during that bull run, we did in fact see corrections, right? We saw Bitcoin dropping 29%, 30%, even at some points 38%, almost 40%, guys, okay, during a bull run, during a bull market. So understand, guys, corrections are normal, right? Just because we're in a bull market, it doesn't mean, guys, we're gonna see green days every single day, right, during that bull run, right? We're gonna have red days. We're gonna see corrections, and it's healthy. Understand, guys, corrections are healthy, okay? This is a great question. This is a great question, yeah, Warren. Is it good to buy more Casper now? I mean, Casper right now, let's see what's happening right now with Casper. Right now, Casper is, I'm guessing 11 cents. Yeah, it's at 11 cents right now. So yeah, Casper, right? Let's have a look at Casper actually. What has Casper been doing for the past few weeks? So as we know, Casper has dropped quite a bit. Let me just pull up the chart here for Casper so I can just show you guys. Okay. All right, guys, so Casper, right, you guys can clearly see this is Casper right over here. And yeah, it's clearly on a downtrend, right? You guys can clearly see it. It's on a downtrend, okay? At the beginning of December, right, early December, not the real beginning, but around the 9th of December, it went as high as 18 cents, almost 19 cents. And then, of course, it had a correction, okay? And remember, guys, Bitcoin had a correction, right? Even Ethereum and a lot of alts had a correction. You know, we had the Fed rate cuts, and that really caused the market to drop. Even the stock market dropped as well. A lot of people did in fact get liquidated. So yeah, it dropped, and you guys can clearly see, okay, from time to time, right, Casper was consolidating right over here. Okay, you guys can clearly see it went from like 11 cents, even at some points 12 cents. So it's been consolidating, right, at this level for quite some time now, ever since like what, 20th of December to where we are right now. So it's been over a week, coming up to 2 weeks. Okay, and you guys can clearly see for the past year, Casper has just been consolidating really, and it reached a new high of, you know, 20 cents, almost 21 cents, right? You guys can clearly see that. So I think right now is a great time to buy some Casper. It really is, right? And I told you guys this, and I'll say it again, right? If I see Casper dropping below, you know, 10 cents, right, I'm gonna buy more for sure, 100%. That's what I'm doing. So I think right now is a great buy. If I see Casper dropping even more, I think I'm gonna buy some more as well for sure, right? If it drops to like 10 cents, if it drops below 10 cents, yeah, I'm gonna buy it for sure. That's when I'm gonna really buy a whole bunch of Casper. And yeah, guys, with the majority of Caspers that I'm buying, I'm gonna be holding, right? As I've told you guys many times. I am holding my Casper for long term. Every time the risk to reward right is too good. That's very true, Ryan. Bought some today as well. That is amazing. Always DCA, guys. That's the thing about DCA, right? It's a great investing strategy, and that's why a lot of investors use this strategy, right, to invest, because you don't have to really time the market. You know, timing the market, guys, as we know, it can be a good thing. It really depends, but obviously timing the market can screw with your emotions, guys. Okay, and I really do believe, like, if you're simply trading, even with investing, you don't want to do it with emotions, right? And I know that's maybe hard for a lot of us, and I get that, but these things just so simple. You know, like, let's just say every week you want to invest $100 into an asset, Bitcoin, right? You want to invest $100 every week into Bitcoin, and you'll do that consistently for a long time, right? For a long period of time. Okay, you don't care what Bitcoin is doing during that day. Like, let's just say every Friday you want to put $100 into Bitcoin every week, right? You'll just DCA every Friday of the week into Bitcoin, and you don't care what Bitcoin is doing, right, during that day. You'll just buy it, whether it's pumping or dumping, right? So I love DCA. I think it's a great investing strategy, and obviously a lot of people use this strategy not just for crypto, even like investing into, I don't know, index funds, S&P 500, stock market, things like that, right? Even gold. I don't know if you guys invest into gold or silver or anything like that, but personally I don't. The only asset I invest in is just Bitcoin and crypto, really. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink, Casper, Cardano, Doge. That's what I'm really looking into right now. But yeah, I think Casper's for sure a great buy. I mean, I feel like Casper's been at 11 cents for quite a bit of times. You know, we always see Casper going back up to like 13 cents, 14 cents, 15 cents, and then it'll just drop back down to like 11 cents. So I feel like right now, Casper, you know, it's been at 11 cents for the past few days. It's a great time to buy Casper, right? It really, really is. Remember, guys, this is going to be Casper's first ever bull cycle, pretty much, right? Casper was launched in November of 2021, and as we know, right, that was, you know, the last bull market's last few moments, right, during that bull run. Okay, that's when it like really ended, right, during those times, right, of Q4 of 2021. So Casper hasn't really experienced, you know, its bull cycle just yet. It is in one right now, so this is a great time to get in, right, for Casper, because this is going to really pump for sure. And as we know, all right, a lot of crypto exchanges right now, okay, have not listed Casper just yet. That's how early we are for Casper. Okay, the market cap for Casper is below 3 billion. Yeah, 3 billion, guys. 2.88 billion right now for Casper. It's still so early, right? And once Binance starts listing Casper and people can trade it, even things like Coinbase or Crypto.com, that's when we're going to see the Casper price really rise, right? We are still so early for Casper, guys. The money will find its way to Casper. It's too good for a coin. Yes, that's very true. Ryan, I just want to give you a shout out, man, because that when we had that phone call that night and we were talking about Casper, you just made me more bullish on Casper. Like, I already knew about Casper, okay, and I was telling someone that I knew, okay, to buy Casper. Like, literally, I was begging him to buy some Casper. I just told him to put like a few $100s into Casper and just leave it there and let it ride, right? Just leave it there and forget about it. And he didn't listen to me. Even to this day, he's still not listening to me. I told him to buy Casper. Even a few years ago, I told, okay, someone that I knew to buy Bitcoin, okay, when I was at like 20K USD. I told him to buy, he didn't listen. And now Bitcoin is, you know, at $90,000, above 90K, but at one point it was over 100K, right? People don't listen, guys. People always just FOMO in. They will FOMO in later on. People that are not buying now, right, in Bitcoin or crypto, They're not getting in now. They're not investing now. They will throw it in later, guys, for sure. I hope 10 cents is the lowest on Casper. Yeah, possibly. You know, Casper, you know, 10 cents, yeah, you know, that's very, very possible. That may be the lowest, but who knows, right? Casper can drop back down, I don't know, to 9 cents, 8 cents even, who knows, right? And if it does, like I said, guys, right, when we see Bitcoin having another correction and when we see the market dropping further down to the downside in the next few days, maybe, right, if that happens, let's just say, right, it happens, guys, take it as an opportunity to buy. That's going to be a huge blessing. Understand that, guys. Don't be scared, right? When we see dips, especially during this time, during a bull run, okay, buy, guys. Take it as an opportunity, a once in a lifetime opportunity to buy more. Don't be scared, right? Let's go Philly Aussie Casper Holder. What's up, brother? How are you? By the way, I saw what you said on X and I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I truly do hope you guys are buying Casper and just simply holding it. Like, my plan is to buy, I don't know how much Casper I'm going to be buying, but my goal is to reach at least 100,000 Casper coins. And I'm just going to really like hold majority over that and just ride the wave, really, right? Because I think Casper, you know, I really do believe Casper, its future is looking really, really bright. And I do believe, like, in the next born, not this born, but in the next born, I think Casper's going to reach like $8, $10 and higher. It may sound crazy to say, right? It may sound crazy to say, but I think that is very, very possible. Okay. You guys understand, like, this born, yeah, it's going to be amazing. But understand, guys, in the next born, when is that? What, 2029 to 2030? Somewhere around there. Bitcoin, right, is going to be worth over $500,000 for sure, right? And there's predictions out there, for example, like Michael Saylor, even Cathie Wood, right, herself, they have said, right, many times that Bitcoin will be over $1 million by that year, 2030, right? And I do believe, you know, in the next born, guys, the one after this, it's going to be crazy. I can tell you guys that much right now. Okay, we're going to see Bitcoin most likely close to $1 million or over $1 million. We're going to see Ethereum maybe over $20,000, who knows, right? Solana, right? Maybe, I don't know, over $1,000 for sure. Like, this born, I see Solana, you know, reaching, you know, 600, 800, maybe even $1,000. It is possible, right? Chainlink, you guys know I'm a huge fan of Chainlink. Okay, I do see Chainlink reaching at least over $100 this born. I think that is very, very possible. So yeah, everything's gonna pump, guys. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready for this bull run. Trust me. Places in the world that I've already started adopting Casper. That's true. This is a pretty good question. Good. Good yourself. No worries. No one talking about Casper at the moment. Do you try and time the weekly or monthly bottoms to DCA or just DCA every paycheck? I mean, I really just DCA every like week, really, right? Every week I just DCA. Okay, I'll buy Bitcoin. Okay, I'll buy some Ethereum. Okay, like, guys, there's only a fair few altcoins that I'm really buying up. There's not a whole bunch. Like, right now I'm obviously buying Bitcoin, clearly, right? Ethereum. Okay. I'm buying some Solana, I'm buying some Doge, Cardano, Casper, and Chainlink, right? And there's obviously other altcoins that I'm really buying, but the ones that I'm really, you know, keeping my eye on are like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, Cardano, Casper, of course, Chainlink. So those are the ones that I've been buying, right? And also have like small holdings of other memes like Shiba Inu, Floki, Pepe, of course, and many more other things as well. So yeah, every week I'm pretty much just DCAing. And I've been DCAing ever since I got started into crypto, right? In Bitcoin and crypto, ever since early of 2021 to now, which is crazy to say. every week I load up half my pay. Hey, I don't blame you. I do the same thing as well. You know, I do the exact same thing, just in Casper. That's great. And some memes for laugh. Yeah, that's true. I mean, I do believe memes will, for sure, you know, perform very well. A lot of these meme coins will pump, guys, for sure. I really do believe that's gonna happen. That video when you bought the low was crazy. What did I buy? I forgot. $20K into Bitcoin. Oh yeah, that was crazy. That was insane. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I did buy Bitcoin when it was at its bottom. And if you guys have never seen that video, you should definitely check it out. I think it's titled "I'm going all in on Bitcoin." Like I was literally going all in on Bitcoin. That was my savings, guys. You know, and when I saw Bitcoin dropping on that exact day, like it was down like 6%, and it was down like below 16K. It was at like $15.9 thousand. And when I saw that, guys, I was like, okay, like I'm just gonna chuck everything into Bitcoin. You know, whatever I have, I'm just gonna put into Bitcoin. That's exactly what I did. And guess what? That was the bottom, right? That was in fact Bitcoin's bottom. So I caught the bottom. I wasn't timing the market or anything like that, guys. Once I saw Bitcoin below 16K, right, it was like $15.9 thousand. I just took that as an opportunity to buy Bitcoin. And I guess it was great timing, but I understand I wasn't timing the market. I don't know, I just went all in on that day for sure. I just took it as an opportunity to buy. Your Casper video got 2.4 thousand views. Yeah, it was insane. I was actually very shook when I saw that. Like I remember I woke up, it was at like 200 views. And then I went to work, it was over 300 views. And then from that day, it just kept going up and up and up. It was crazy. So I appreciate all you guys for the support on that video. It seems like the Casper community is growing, right? A lot of people are looking into Casper, even though not a lot of people are talking about Casper, but I really do believe like the community for Casper will grow eventually, for sure. When it starts to go, it's gonna take off for sure, Ryan. It will. Someone just commented on my video. If you guys haven't seen my most previous videos, definitely check that out. You know, today, right, I made a video talking about Bitcoin, my price prediction for Bitcoin for this year, 2025. If you guys haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. I even made one for Casper. So those videos are uploaded. If you guys haven't seen those videos, please check it out. I really would appreciate it. But the markets are sort of boring right now, right, guys? Like, it feels boring. You know, I get it, right? A lot of you guys, you know, get that feeling right now. You know, the market's kind of boring. You know, past few days, we're not seeing Bitcoin move. We're not seeing altcoins move, right? Where's the rally for Bitcoin? Okay, but guys, things like this happens. You know what I mean? Not every, you know, just because we're in a bull market doesn't mean, you know, we're going to see green days every single day. We're going to get boring days like today for the past few days. We're going to see corrections, right? And remember, guys, corrections are healthy. Just remember, guys, last month, okay, or not last month, in November, I forgot, it's January, it's the New Year's. I need to get used to it, right? But anyways, in November of 2024, remember, guys, when we had the US election, okay, when we had the US election, you know, right after it, you know, we saw Bitcoin skyrocketing. It went to a new high. We saw the crypto market moving. Even the stock market was moving as well, like crazy. Every market was pretty much moving, guys, right, when we had the US election. And this was to be expected, right? Because every single time, guys, when we have, you know, the US election, right after it, we see the markets moving, okay? And that's the same with the Bitcoin halving event, right? Right after it, we see it move. Remember, guys, it's a 4-year cycle. We have the Bitcoin halving event and we have a US election. That happens every 4 years. And when these events happen, guys, okay, right after it, we do in fact see the markets moving. Okay, except for the Bitcoin halving event, like when we have the Bitcoin halving event, we don't see Bitcoin rallying straight away right after it, right? It takes time. Okay, so that's that. But yeah, it's still looking pretty good right now for Bitcoin and crypto. You know, let Bitcoin breathe, guys. Right? In November, just recently, like 2 months ago, you know, it was moving like crazy. Okay, remember guys, Bitcoin was trading out like it went back up to its previous high of 73 and then it broke a new high of $74,000, and from there on it just went parabolic. You know, it just kept going up. It was like reaching a new all-time high like every single day. I remember it honestly felt like Bitcoin jumped from $74,000 all the way to over $90,000. Like we literally skipped through those 80K levels like it was nothing, right? Like Bitcoin was going crazy. It was just reaching a new all-time high every single day. That's what it felt like. And I personally, I could not catch up, right, to the Bitcoin price. Like every single day, it would just bounce up like $2,000, and then the next day it would bounce like another $2,000, right? It was just going nuts, right? It was going crazy, guys. And guess what, right? We're gonna see, okay, the same moves. What happened in November, okay, is gonna happen throughout this year in 2025. Mark my words, right? Q1, even Q2, it's gonna be amazing times for Bitcoin and crypto, guys. So I hope you guys are ready for that because it's gonna happen, right? We're gonna see huge moves for crypto. And I truly do hope you guys are prepared for it because it's gonna happen eventually. What is Shiba Inu up 1.7%? I have a really good feeling SHIB will pump like crazy. I feel like, you know, the charts for a lot of these memes are looking pretty strong. You know, the large caps, they're looking pretty good, especially Doge. I think Doge is going to really just skyrocket soon. And I do believe Dogecoin can for sure reach $1. You know, everyone was talking about, you know, Dogecoin reaching $1 last bull run, right, in 2021. Clearly that did not happen. But I really do believe this time around, this bull run, I think we're going to see Dogecoin go back up to its previous high, even reaching $1 and higher. I think that is very possible for sure. But yeah, a lot of these memes will pump, guys, for sure. Keep your eyes on meme coins, guys. Like if you guys really want to make money, if you guys really want to make money in crypto, like I'm not saying you guys should do this, but meme coins, I feel like memes is the way to go. And remember, guys, you gotta know when to get in and to get out, because with meme coins, right, it's really risky. But remember, okay, the more risk, the bigger the reward. Okay, so it's really risky getting to memes, right, trading meme coins. Okay, but the reward is just so big. Right, so that's why, guys, I'm looking into meme coins for this bull run for sure. Right, things like Doge, Shiba Inu, Floki, Pepe. What else is there? Pepe, Floki, maybe Dog with that. I think that will still perform pretty well, even though yeah, it pumped a fair bit. But I still believe Dog with that will perform still pretty decently. So guys, I hope you guys are truly ready for this bull run. Like I said, I know we're in this bull run already. Okay, we've been in this bull run for a fair few. It's been a while now, you know, a couple months. But understand, it's gonna really move, right? This year, guys, 2025 is gonna really move for sure. So I hope you guys are truly ready for it because we're gonna see huge moves. We're gonna see, you know, altcoins, especially, right? Altcoins, as you know, alt season is about to begin. We're about to see a lot of these altcoins moving, right? In a single day, a lot of these alts will move 50%, 80%, to even over 100%, to even 200% in a single day, right? And we saw that, right, in November. I don't know if you guys remember, but we saw a fair few alts moving 100% and higher, right, in a single day, in 24 hours, right? We saw, what did we see? We saw XRP moving. That was huge, right? XRP. At one point, XRP was below $1. It reached $1, and then it reached over $2. Okay, and it went to like $2.50, and I believe a bit more higher than that, right? So it was crazy. XRP was pumping, Solana was pumping as well. As we know, Solana did go back up to its previous high, and of course reach a new high. So Solana was moving as well. Doge was moving. Cardano, okay, it was moving as well. It went back up to $1, and it's been a very, very long time since we have seen Cardano, right, ADA at $1, right? It's been like almost 2 years, I believe, and it finally reached $1 during that time, right? In November. We saw Chainlink moving, we saw Avalanche moving, Sui, of course, XLM, that was the biggest one, XLM, Stellar, right? That altcoin moonshot, guys, like crazy. It was absolutely insane. HBAR was moving as well. Yeah, a lot of alts were moving, guys. Okay, and understand, right? We're gonna see the exact same thing. As we know, alt season is about to begin. Bitcoin dominance is gonna drop further down to the downside. And then, of course, that's, you know, a great sign for alt season. And that's when it's going to really kick in for altcoins. We're going to see a lot of large caps, low caps start moving up to the upside. So I hope you guys are ready for that, right? Because it's bound to happen very, very soon. Okay, we're going to see a lot of these altcoins moving. And yeah, you know, people that are not buying in now, they're going to foam it in eventually, right? They will foam it in, guys, for sure. This always happens, you know, every single time, guys, we enter a bull run, right? We always see, okay, FOMO every single time. Okay, a lot of people out there like to buy high and sell low. Okay, they like to get in at the top, they FOMO in, and then when it's dropping, right, they just panic sell. And that's how people lose money, guys. That's how people lose in crypto, right? It's very simple, guys. You want to do the opposite. You want to buy low and sell high, right? So you want to buy during a bear market, and then when the bull market comes around, that's when you want to take profits. Okay, so as you would DCA in, right, you want to DCA out. Okay, so when we're in a bull run, okay, we're on an uptrend, right? On the bigger chart, right, the bigger picture, when we're on an uptrend, you know, when, you know, let's just say you want to DCA out of Bitcoin, you want to take some profits with Bitcoin, you just want to, you know, have a exit strategy, right, and just, you know, take up your profits, right? As you would DCA in, you simply just want to DCA out, right? So you need to have a plan, guys. You need to have an exit strategy, okay? But I highly suggest you guys, you know, if you guys are planning on taking profits, right, you know, sell your altcoins, right? Sell your altcoins, but you know, there are probably specific altcoins that you guys may want to hold for long term. Okay, so don't sell all of them, especially Bitcoin, right? If you guys are holding Bitcoin, you guys can do whatever you want, okay? But I highly suggest you guys to keep some of your Bitcoins. Don't sell all of them, right? Don't sell all your Bitcoins, guys, because trust me, if you sell all your Bitcoins, it's going to be much, much harder to get them back. Okay, trust me, it will be. Even though, yeah, you know, after this bull market, we're obviously going to enter a bear market, and then, yeah, we're going to see Bitcoin dropping like 50%. But that's fine. Like I said, guys, hold it for long term, right? Do this for long term. Don't worry about short term. Don't worry about what Bitcoin is doing short term. Think about long term always, okay? So that is that. I know in the year, you know, 2026, next year, we're going to see Bitcoin dropping 50% most likely, maybe even lower than that. We're going to see a lot of altcoins dropping, you know, a lot as well. Over 50% for sure. Alts are going to drop, guys, okay? You know, in the next bear market. But yeah, that's that. But guys, hope you guys enjoyed, okay, the stream. Like I said, if you guys haven't seen any of my videos that I've uploaded today, I made, okay, a price prediction for Casper. I even made one for Bitcoin. So if you guys haven't seen those videos, I would really, really appreciate it. If you guys aren't following me on any of my social medias, okay, it's always linked in the description down below. So go ahead and follow me if you guys haven't already. That is always appreciated. And yeah, hope you guys are ready for this year 2025. Worth DCA in 2026. Yes, it is. DCA in 2026. That is a time that you want to simply just DCA. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. I appreciate all you guys. Thank you guys so much for the support lately. It's been absolutely amazing. You guys know who you are, and I know who you guys are because I read the comments and I see who's, you know, supporting, right? And I always reply. I try my best to reply to every comment that I see. So I appreciate all you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining today's stream. Hope you guys had a happy new year, right? Like I said, this is officially the very first day, right, of the New Year's. For me, it is. For most likely you guys, it's probably, you know, New Year's Eve, right? But for me, it is officially 2025. It's the very first day, and yeah, you know, I hope you guys, you know, gonna make this year your year. Okay, I hope you guys are, you know, gonna achieve your goals. Okay, for this year, I believe in you guys, so you guys should believe in yourself. But guys, thank you guys so much for joining today's stream. I really do appreciate it, and I guess I will catch you guys in the next stream for sure. All right, so thank you guys so much. How do I end this? I really need a new phone. Oh, I need to get used to this. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have a good one, guys.